Hi, my friends. Today we have an Armoire shipment, so stick around and I'll show you what I got. So I thought I'd hop on here real quick and unbox what I got from Armoire, this latest shipment today. But then I have to run off to the hairdresser. So when I come back and do the try on, my hair's going to look totally different. Only my hairdresser can get it poker straight, which I love. So she'll probably do that today. Anyway, I only have 5 items. Now, I have the unlimited plan. I want to talk about plans whenever I'm trying things on. I'll tell you about those. But with Armoire, it's a rental service. Shipment to and from is free. They do the cleaning for you, and you get to wear them out. Sometimes you get new ones with tags, and you always get discounts too if you want to keep any of the items, if you just fall in love with them and can't let them go. Now, I have the unlimited plan, which means I get 6 items at a time, but I can swap them out as frequently as I want. And I actually held onto one. That's why I only have 5 this time. I held onto this Lily Pulitzer. Did not have the opportunity to wear it this time, so I didn't want to give it up, but I was ready for some new things. So let's look in here. And with my plan, it's $249 a month, and I get 6 items at a time, unless I keep one, and then I can swap them out as often as I want. So, and the fun thing about it is I always forget what I ordered. So when it gets here, it really doesn't take it that long to get here, but I have so many things going on, I forget. So it's always fun, like I'm looking at new items. You get a return label. It goes back in that bag or whatever bag that comes in. Because what will happen is when I order new things, then they'll go ahead. I get to hang on to these until the new things come, and then I ship them back. So that's another fun thing. Okay, we have this orange top that I am wanting to wear with skirt that I got from Wantable. So we'll see how they go together. I think they'll go together really well. All right. And then a nice blouse. This would be a great work blouse. And I'll tell you what I'm going to do with the things I got this time. I'm actually going to be sending them back. This is Tuesday. I'm probably going to be sending them back by Thursday or Friday because next week I'm starting to work extra. They're really short on my team, and so I've agreed to work extra through the week some. Woohoo! Fun dance skirt. I thought this would be such a fun dance skirt. So hopefully it fits. Okay. See how that works. But what I was saying is I am going to be picking up some extra hours. So I want some work clothes. And we wear a dress, even though I'm a nurse case manager, we wear street clothes. Cute. I love the little lips on here. Cute, cute. I thought I might go with that dance skirt, but I'm not sure now. Let's see them together. We'll have to figure that piece out. And then a nice maxi dress, summer maxi dress that I got. Okay. Very cute. Love these colors are so in right now. All right. So I'm going to run off to my hair appointment and then come back and do the try on. We'll have fun doing that. See you soon. Hey, so I'm back from the hairdresser, and only she can get my hair this straight. So now I'm ready to do the try on. This is the top that I got from Armoire. Could use a little pressing in the sleeves, but I didn't really have time. I thought this color would match really well with the orange in this skirt, and it does. It's perfect. So you can't always tell when you're looking online how the colors are going to turn out, but this matches very well. I'm going to put on a pair of capris that I also have that will go with this, just so that I can hold the skirt up and show you how well it matches the flowers. Anyway, the skirt I got is from JB and Me, from one of my JB style boxes, and it actually came, I have a cropped tank that I can wear with it, but that's not always appropriate for everywhere. So I wanted to have something with a little bit more sleeves, and I wanted to try it out with this. So let me tell you about this. The top is from Armoire, and it's a Lila P woven sleeve split neck top, size medium. And it would, let me go into it more. If I would want to buy it, it would be $109. And it regularly would be $128. It is 100% cotton. And so I could get it for 15% off. Anyway, nice casual top. And like I said, I'll put my capris on. I'll show you how closely it matches the flowers in my skirt. So now I have it on with these capris that I also own. And I think that it matches well with those. I always have trouble finding something to wear with those as well. Look how closely the flowers match the color in the top. Okay. Which might make me tempted to purchase it. I like this style as well. It's kind of a rib sweater and then the puffed cotton sleeves. Okay, let's try on some of the other things from Armoire. And I did want to tell you, if you've been following any of this, you know that I have been trying to figure out which rental service is the best for me and my needs. And I have concluded that it's going to be Armoire. I'm going to hang on to Armoire. I've already canceled Rent the Runway, and I had canceled Newly a way back, but I also canceled Modlock. So right now, Armoire is my only rental service. And again, I have the unlimited where I can swap as frequently as I want. You'll be seeing some more business type of clothes in my next order so that I can wear those to work. But let's go ahead and try on some of the fun clothes I have this time. Okay, so this could be a really cute and fun dance skirt. Asymmetrical. It's got ruffles. Very cute. Little polka dots. And so I think it would definitely move when you dance. It's cute. Let me read to you about it. Just kind of something to have fun with. It is Bailey 44, asymmetrical hem ruffle skirt, size 8, and viscose is the material. It would regularly be $198, and I could get it for 20% off, which would make it $158. Okay, so another just fun item. How cute is this sweater? I just love this little cropped sweater. So it has the lips on it. So cute. I have an oldie skirt, a black oldie skirt that I think would really be cute with this whenever we have our oldies party. And red shoes. Wouldn't red shoes look great? So anyway, let me read to you about this. This is an upscaled, Armoire upscaled item. Very interesting. So it is, why that kicked me out? There we go. It is upscaled by Armoire, and it's a lipstick sleeveless crew neck vest, size medium. And I could purchase it for $66. I feel like this Armoire shipment has been fantastic. I like all the pieces in it. And I plan to wear them all out, maybe several times. But this one will be great for work. Really like this blouse. I pushed the sleeves up because it's considered a 3/4 sleeve. So imagine they're meant to be worn up, which gives them a little bit of puff right here. Nice fit. Very nice blouse. It feels great. So let me read to you about this. Okay. This blouse is Yami Kim 3/4 sleeve, split neck. I have to click on it to get more. Garcelle top. And it's a size small. Because when I saw the photos and the reviews, it looked like it was a little too baggy. If you sized up, so I sized down. And it would be $117 to purchase regularly. $138 regularly, $117 to purchase with 15% off. It's 100% viscose. Let me show you the dress that I'm going to try on next. And I missed this one in the unboxing, but I have a tag. So I will be the first person to wear this dress. which is pretty exciting. So anyway, let me put this on and then we'll wrap up. So this is a nice flowy floral dress. Kind of has Spanish vibes to it. Very pretty. It fits well. Comes in nicely here. It's very satiny. It feels, I bet it's going to be 100% polyester. It's got that smooth feel to the material. I like the sleeves. I like how it cuts across here, and it has one thing that I liked in the photos was this ribbing, the black ribbing across it. So I thought that made it kind of unique. Cute dress for sure. Like a leg. Of course, with sandals, it would be a little bit lower. So let me read to you about this since I'm the first person to wear this one. This is Democracy Double Ruffle Sleeve Square Neck Midi Dress. Did I say maxi? They're calling it midi. Size medium, and it's 100% polyester. $88, and I could get it for $75. Very cute dress. So let me tell you about the other plans. There is a 4-item plan, $89 a month, and you rent 4 items at a time. You swap them every 30 days. So it's kind of like, that would be a good way to get your feet wet, try it out, see what you like, and you get designer names. So, it'd be well worth $89 to give it a whirl. Then they've got the 7-item plan, $99 your first month. And then it'll be $119 every month after that. Rent 7 items at a time, and then you swap every 30 days. So you get your 7 items and you keep them the whole month. That's another good option. The plan that I have, which is the unlimited plan, you could get your first month for $139. So what do you have to lose? Do it for $139. You can swap out unlimited, 6 items at a time, and then cancel if you don't want to start paying the $249 every month thereafter. But anyway, I really enjoy the value of this. I think it's well worth it. Now, when I was using 4 rental services, no, it was not sustainable, and I knew I was going to have to choose one. I am still going to do a whole conclusion video, I promise, on the 4 rental services that I did try out. Okay, well, thank you for watching, as always, and I will catch you on the next one.